Hello guys, welcome to the channel Bank Nifty Learn and Earn. Okay, so with the motto of Learn and Earn, in this analysis we would first look or go for the learnings, and later then we would do the analysis or analysis part for the Bank Nifty for the 1st of June. So before that, if you look at this particular thing, this is my username on the TradingView portal, and many people were not able to find my YouTube channel. So this is the YouTube channel name, and this is the Twitter's account. So if you are not able to find the YouTube channel, you just need to click on this particular link and you would be redirected to my YouTube channel's page. So there you can click on subscribe for the latest videos on the Bank Nifty and the learning as well. So let us go to the learning first, as we said. Okay, before that, just let me know how many people have watched the learning video for 16 candlestick pattern which I had posted yesterday. So it was divided into 3 parts. Do write in the comment section, and if you had gone through those videos, then it was a good learning for you and to take the trades. Now let me show you few things as a part of learning. So yesterday we saw different types of candles, okay, and I have marked few areas in the chart today's. Uh, today's. So these are the areas, okay, and we would discuss about 2 points. First, regarding the support and resistance, including the trend line, and second one is the candlestick patterns. Okay, so in my previous analysis, I had defined this particular zone between 35,100 to 35,250 as a no trading zone, and on previous day you can see on the 28th the Bank Nifty moved between this particular zone, okay, and when it gave the breakdown, it took a support at this particular level around 35,000 and bounced back to the same level 35,250 where it faced the resistance. So today what happened, I think it was a small gap down opening. It went down till this particular area, or we can say 35,000, and it's again bounced back. Now one point here is, I had said in my previous analysis also, or it is a basic learning for those who are new to the trading, when a huge support or a big support is broken, that support acts as a resistance. That support acts as a resistance, and when a resistance is broken, it acts as a support. So you can see 35,000 was a huge resistance last week. So at the time of expiry, it was broken. So we can say this was the one day later it started acting as a support, and today in the morning also you can see when Bank Nifty came down at this particular level, it again act as a support. Okay, so this is one basic funda that you can keep in mind. When a support is broken, it acts as a resistance, and when resistance is broken, it acts as a support. Okay, so for those who have not gone through the videos of 16 candlestick pattern, please go through it and get the basics of the candlestick patterns. So now I would like to show you few things based on the candlestick patterns formed over here. I hope you should have taken a good profit, okay, based on these things. So if we look at this particular candle, it looks like a hanging man, okay, hanging man. Now here important point is, hanging man suggests that it is a potential downward trend or it is potential a reversal. But the thing to take here into consideration is the candle is forming at the support. Okay, just keep in mind this candle is forming at the support. So if you are taking a trade into selling side or shorting side, you would definitely lose the money. You just need to keep in mind while trading where are the support, what is the resistance. Okay, now this candle, if we look at from a buying perspective, this should be, this looks like a hammer, but a hammer is a green candle. Okay, and this is the red candle. Coming back, I would come back to this particular point if you have confusion while taking a trade, and this is where very important point that we need to look into different time frames comes into picture. Okay, I would just show you the same thing, how different time frame analysis can help us in avoiding the trade uh, wrong trade. Okay, so this was one point, and this was one point. Okay, and we can see the bank nifty jumped from here till this particular level, so almost about 400 points uh, it has given a rally. Okay, you can see the second point marked over here. It is the what we can say, it is the hammer. Okay, and the price has moved up. So when we should look for this particular things, hammer or the bullish candles, is where we see a potential support. Okay, or from where the trend can be reversed. A simple funda again, you see this was the resistance level, it broke over here, and when the price came down back to this particular level, it started acting as a support. So when a resistance was broken over here, the next time it started acting as a support. So this was one indication. Second indication, the formation of the candle. Which candle? A hammer. It clearly indicates a potential up direction. Okay, so if you would have taken trade on this particular time candle and put your stop loss at the below of this candle, you can see the direction of the trend, it went upwards, and you might have booked at least from 590, 290, what is the level, 290 to 460, around 290, about 100 to 200 points easily. Same thing over here, you can see a hammer, but not all candles are hammer, they look like hammer. The only distinguishing point, if you look at this particular candle and this particular candle, is a hammer has a big handle and a solid what we can say thing at the top. And if you look at this particular candle, people may get trapped into this. So to show in this case, it has, the price has gone up, but it's fine. If you would have taken trade, you would have got a good points as well. So this is one. The second point, now look at these two candles. This candle is a hanging man and the same candle is the hanging man. Now if you would have entered into this area, you would have been into the loss, as the price took the support from this particular area, as it is the support zone, and price went up. Now you can see that price price is at level 35,500, so which was a resistance level yesterday. Okay, don't take this into consideration. This is what I have written for tomorrow's analysis. So at this particular point where 35,500 was acting as a resistance, we can see the price, the formation of the candle and price moving downwards. So this is how simple it is. We are unnecessary making things complex and wasting our money by taking or entering into wrong trades. Okay, so this was small things about what we learned yesterday about the different candle stick patterns. Okay, one more point. why do we need to uh, look into different time frames? Okay, now just take a look at this. We are into the time frame of 5 minutes, and if you are confused with this scenario, whether I should go on sell side based on this particular candle, forget about this thing. In the live market, based on this particular candle, as you see the down trade, you see a support is broken. Shall I enter into the down trade? But don't be in a hurry. Let the support be broken completely and let the candle close below it. Wait for one more candle to form if you are trading for 5 minutes time frame. Let the confirmation be given and then go for selling side. So now I would change this time frame to 3 minutes and you would see what happens at the same point. I have marked the same point. So let me zoom in this so that you can see clear picture. And if you have really gone through the candlestick videos, or if you have the knowledge of that particular candlestick, you might have easily analyzed this candle. What is this? It's a bullish engulfing candle. Okay, what does it states? It states the bullish movement, and this is what, if you would have analyzed this on a smaller time frame, you would have entered over here at least. Okay, and you would have got good profit. Okay, so this is why it is important to look into different time frames. uh, Different time frames. Okay, now let's go to the analysis. So on TradingView, I have posted two different analysis for day view and intraday view. So for day view, this is what I have stated. What do we see in a day? So today's day candle is a bullish engulfing candle, which clearly states that we can see a bullish movement ahead, and we can see our targets of 36,000 and 36,500. No doubt there are some resistance at 36,000. Okay, and in between smaller. So the point to note over here is this particular bullish candle which states the bullish moment. Now let's go to intraday level. So these are the, let me close this. So these are the levels that I have marked for the intraday levels and how to take the trades. Okay, this is the 15 minutes chart. You can mark the support and trend lines how I have marked. So what I have stated, I am thinking that tomorrow there may be a gap of opening, so of 100 to 200 points at least. So based on the 2 days closing, if it opens somewhere around 600 or 650, still it can move upwards to till 35,800. We have a small resistance at 35,300. So you can see the price can come down, and this is the trend line, strongest trend line which Bank Nifty have been trading since last we can say week or couple of days. So it can bounce from here, or it can bounce from here to the upper levels. And for the short sellers, you can sell below this green line till this particular point, 35,500, because 35,500 has uh, becoming a good, or it's developing a good support. Okay, and what are the other strong and support levels? So 35,000 has become a strong support level. Below that we have a good support level of 34,500. The strong resistance is at 36,000, and above that we have good resistance at 36,500. So I hope you would have liked my analysis. So hit the like button, share, and do comment into the comment section. What are your thoughts? What are your questions? And I have one more question for you. Do you like me going with the same in the English language, or do you prefer me to go in Hindi as well? Okay, so I hope you like my analysis, do support me by subscribing my channel to get the daily analysis on Bank Nifty. Thank you.